Glass tray fixing in microwave oven. Let us see the process of fixing glass tray in the microwave oven for noise-free operation. Open the door and take out the accessory box. Now remove the tray from the white shaft already fixed in the center of cavity. Place the turntable or ring in cavity in such a way that shaft should be in the center. Place the glass tray on the shaft and ring gently. Close the door and press start button to check the smooth rotation of glass tray. If while rotating some abnormal noise is heard, then press stop or clear button to stop the operation. Open the door and check the balance of glass tray over ring and shaft. If there is any play as shown in video, then it means glass tray is not fixed properly. Take out the glass tray and turn to see the back side. There are 3 lugs on it, and as shown, there are 3 cuts or grooves on the white shaft. Place the glass tray in such a way that lugs of glass tray should go inside the grooves of the shaft. If it is not fit properly, then noise will be there. Now check for any play or imbalance of the glass tray on the ring. Close the door and press start to check. Press stop or clear button in case no noise. Now your microwave oven is ready for use.